Meaning of embrace.
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 Embrace. The word embrace means to hold someone or something closely in one's arms, either as a sign of affection or as a welcome. It can also mean to accept or adopt a particular idea, belief, or way of life. When we embrace someone or something, we are showing acceptance, support, and love. It can bring people closer together, create a sense of belonging, and foster connection. Embracing new ideas or ways of living can also lead to personal growth and development, helping us to broaden our perspectives and experiences.